In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and customize charts in Smartsheet so you can turn your data into clear visual reports. Charts make it easier to spot trends, track progress, and share insights with your team. Start by opening the sheet that contains the data you want to visualize. Before creating a chart, make sure your data is organized with clear column headers and accurate values. Well-structured data will produce better charts and more meaningful results. Next, click Add to Workspace and select Dashboard. If you're creating a new dashboard, choose Get Started and enter a name for it. Dashboards are where Smartsheet charts are displayed and shared. Once your dashboard opens, click Add Widget and select Chart. This will open the chart configuration panel where you can connect your data source. Click Add Data and choose the sheet containing your information. Highlight the rows and columns you want to include in the chart, then confirm your selection. Smartsheet will generate a chart preview based on the selected data. Now choose the chart type that best fits your data. You can select from options such as bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and column charts. Bar and column charts are great for comparing values, pie charts show proportions, and line charts help visualize trends over time. As you switch between chart types, the preview updates automatically. Take a moment to find the visualization that presents your data most clearly. You can also customize chart settings including titles, labels, legends, and formatting options. These adjustments help make your chart easier to understand and more professional when sharing with stakeholders. When you're satisfied with the chart, click Save. The chart will be added to your dashboard and will update automatically whenever the underlying sheet data changes. That's how to use Smartsheet charts to transform raw data into meaningful visual reports. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.